Carbon and its compound. Carbon symbol is C, is a non-metal, and it's found everywhere, even the earth crust, and every food material, even our body also. Carbon is present in either the any carbonic compound, either protein, glucose, or other carbonic compound. Carbon is present in the different anywhere. Now carbon is always making the covalent bond. Covalent bond means while sharing of the electrons, bonds are formed are known as the covalent bond. While sharing, if in outer shell of any atoms is 1, 2 or 3, that are denotes, and whenever they denote give donate the electrons, they make a positive ion, that is. But in some other case, if the outer shell there is the 5, 6 or 7 electrons are there, they can accept the electron and they complete the outermost shell, they make the negative ion. But in the carbon case is the critical condition, because carbon has the 4 electron in the outermost shell, so it should be lose these 4 electron or gain the another 4 electron from the other atom to attain the configuration, that means to fill their outermost shell, that means complete the outermost shell. It is difficult to a small atom of carbon to add another 4 electron its shell of C4 due to the strong repulsion force between the electrons. What is the second situation? Removal of 4 electron of outermost shell of the carbon atom would require a very large amount of energy, so the carbon atom cannot form positive ion also while losing the electron. They cannot make the negative ion while the gaining of the electron. So therefore carbon atom cannot either into bonding both by either losing a valence electron or by gaining the 4 more electron. Carbon atom overcome this difficulty by sharing its valence electron. Valence electron, you know, in the class 9, number of electron present in outermost shell are known as the valence electron. Thus the carbon is able to acquire stability by forming the covalent bond.